Welcome back, guys. So our 12,200 target was hit yesterday on Nasdaq. The question is what is going to happen next. As you can see, this is the 1 hour chart and the 50 moving average is here, so price is trying to stay above this. However, I always like to start with the daily chart, so let's go there. So last time I was talking about this purple 100 moving average sitting at 12156 and the bottom part of the channel being here. So yes, this area is actually quite important, 12,000 to 12,200. And if we zoom in and look at the last candle that formed on Friday, this is actually a doji star candle. This got formed here also, and you can see the market showed a nice bounce from here. So given this candle pattern is forming, quite the chance that there might be a small pump back towards 12,400 450, and then market tries to reject from there back towards this bottom part of the channel sitting at again 12,150 12,200, and this is a bear flag that was forming. Price broke out of this, went back inside, now coming back to test the bottom part again. Daily RSI is sitting at 57, got rejected from 74. So yes, RSI has got quite a bit of scope towards the downside. So this correction that we are seeing from 12,900 to 12,300 where the price is right now is actually normal market behavior. So this is okay. This type of correction is actually good if we get a nice bounce from here and try to target 13,000. So this bounce will be very good. Also, if I drop this level, this is actually important. Look at this rejection here again over here. Same thing happened over here also. So 12,150 12,200 again coinciding with the bottom part of the channel is very significant. As you know, on Tuesday CPI data will be released, so by that time we would be probably at the bottom part of the channel, and if the news is good, then yes, very easily we can pump back towards 13,000. so have to keep an eye on February. If we fail over here, that is the big question, then yes, next area of interest is sitting around 11,500 over here. You can see a lot of action happened here, even over here. So 11,500 would be the next interesting level if we break 12,000. Not only this, on the fib levels, if I draw them up, look at this level, which is the 0.5 level sitting at 12183. so a retest of this level and a bounce from here can actually be very nice, which can take us to the 0.786 level over here, which is sitting at 13,035. A very important price level is 12,000 12,200. Let us know what you think is going to happen next week. Do you think we are going to break below 12,000, go down to test 11,500 11,750, or this is the time when we are going to see a very nice bounce towards 13,000? And if you find this analysis interesting, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any updates. Now let's move to the 4-hour chart also. So once again, the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart is sitting at 12154, telling us that yes, once again this level is very important, and we are seeing a crossover of the 50 moving average carrying above the 100 moving average in purple. So another significant thing that is happening. If I zoom in again, look at these two candles forming doji star pattern, very similar to what happened here, and then look at this upward action that we saw. So yeah, quite possible on Monday we might see again 12,400 450 and then try to reject from there, come back down. Tuesday comes and then news is announced. If news is good, back to 13,000. If not, then we are falling below 12,000 towards 11,750 where these moving averages are, or 11,500. Even the 4-hour RSI is sitting at 52, got rejected from 79. So yeah, if we see a retest of this level 12,150 and try to bounce from here, that will actually be good, because that means the RSI will stay above 50 and try to climb back up from here. So yeah, next week can be very important for the market. But once again, the biggest thing for me is all of this action happening above the long-term trend where we got rejected multiple times. Look at this here. So this is very positive development for the market. Let's quickly take a look at the fear and greed index. We were in extreme greed at 80 points, and that is what we predicted before, that market will go into extreme greed. Everyone was hoping for a big dump, but I mentioned that we will go in extreme greed, and that is what happened. And now we are facing rejection from the 80 points of extreme greed, reaching to 70 now in the greed section. So this is the rejection that we saw from 80 points. So that is a good healthy movement in the market. Another interesting observation on the 4-hour chart is this trend line itself. There was a very nice and strong upward trend that was developing, which has broken now actually. So market might come back up to retest, telling us that yes, 12,400 12,450 is the area where the retest will happen, and then might try to reject, try to find support from the bottom part of the channel. And if news is is good, then pump. If not, then there will be a dump from this point. Anyway, so let us know what you think, and also if you would like us to analyze some other assets, please feel free to drop a comment below. And you can see how volatile the market is if you're actively trading. Please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.